in this theorem, we have to prove that equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Let me first draw two chords. Let it be AB and CD. CD. Given that AB is equal to CD, equal chords are equidistant from center. Let it be center. Let center be O and draw perpendicular OL on AB. OL is perpendicular on AB and OM is perpendicular on CD. And we have to prove that chords are at equal distance from the center, that is OM is equal to OL. This we have to prove. OM is perpendicular on CD and OL is perpendicular on AB. Now join these 2 points OD and OB. Join OD and OB. Now given that AB is equal to CD, AB is equal to CD, and we know that perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. This theorem we have already done, that perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. To the chord bisects the chord. So we can say that DM is equal to half of CD and also BL is equal to half of AB. But AB is equal to CD. It means half of AB is also equal to half of CD. Half of AB is equal to half of CD, which implies half of AB we know is DM is equal to half of CD, which is BL. Now, coming back to these two triangles, triangle OMD and triangle OLB. We will prove that these two triangles are congruent. First is that MD is equal to BL. We have already proved here. MD is equal to BL. Second, OD is equal to OB, radii of same circle. And thirdly, angle OMD by construction is equal to angle OLB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by RHS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle OMD is congruent to triangle OLB. Therefore, by CPCT, this length OM is equal to OL by CPCT. That is, equal chords are their distance. The chords AB and CD, which are equal in length, their distance from the center OM and OL are also equal. That means equal chords are equidistant from the center. Are equidistant from the center. That's it.